Yo stud, what's up? So today we're going to be making an oversized singlet. You can find the sewing pattern on my Etsy page, link in the description below as shown on the screen. And you can also find out my other sewing patterns on my Etsy page there as well. With this purchase, you also get a summary page listing the sewing pattern pieces and the materials needed, like as shown on screen. Pretty simple sewing method today. Basically what you do is put it right sides together, so the edges and the shoulder strap, and then hem, and then you're done. End the video. So it's just literally just me sewing the edges together, the side pieces, side seams, and then we're done. Yep, you can hem as well. That's how it looks. Wow, quite nice. It does look quite nice when it's tucked in and like it overflows, like I was showing before. That's how it looks without it being tucked in. See, I think it looks quite decent. It's quite nice when it's see-through fabric. Anyways, that's it. Check out my other stuff on my Etsy page. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want later stud.